While several companies are facing worst slowdown because of coronavirus pandemic, Reliance Jio has attracted a slew of investors and got them to cut billion-dollar checks. Reliance Jio, world's fastest growing telecom network, is now the most talked about company not only in India but around the world. Beginning from April 2020 till now, Reliance Jio has raised over 92,000 crore in exchange for a 19.9% stake from 6 world-known companies. But now the question arises, why investors are pouring money in Reliance Jio? So today on NetBuzz we'll analyze and unravel Jio's billion-dollar deals. Launched in September 2016, India saw a major turn in telecom industry as Jio came up with free and unlimited offers, offering free 4G data. While several bets were placed that soon Jio will charge for data, and then how many freeloaders could Reliance turn into paid users? So after more than 3 quarters in 2017, Jio announced its first paid plan. But by then, Jio had accumulated 108 million users, of which 72 million were paying subscribers, availing the annual Jio Prime membership for ₹99. Later, Mukesh Ambani declared that Jio would offer the world's cheapest mobile data, with 1 GB costing just ₹11, less than a vada pav. Before this, the average cost of 1 GB data in India was ₹225. Later, between 2017 and 2020, Reliance increased its tariff by still giving the cheapest mobile data in the world. At present, 1 GB costs ₹18. So Reliance is now the country's largest telecom with 388 million subscribers. So by this time, Jio has brought data revolution in India. And while most companies were thinking that Jio will be all about telecom, Mukesh Ambani's plan for Jio was broader and deeper. It was beyond connectivity. It was about data, technology, ecosystem, and opportunity. And for this, Reliance spent 4 years in building an ecosystem under Jio. They attracted a lot of customers. Some they created in-house, some they acquired. Jio acquired companies from different sectors like Saavn, music streaming, Haptech, conversational AI, Imbibe, learning and edtech, Hathway, cable and broadband, Redis, 5G and IoT, and more. In 3 years, Reliance Industries spent $3 billion in acquisitions across verticals, according to Morgan Stanley Research. Now Jio has more than 20 apps and services from different segments, with many more under testing. Ambani has actually built up a disruptive digital services company which will bring together India's #1 connectivity platform, leading digital app ecosystem. Now in 2020, Reliance is getting lucrative results for what it did. The billions of dollars Reliance spent in building the Jio ecosystem and locking millions of consumers have actually become fruitful. Beginning from April 22, Jio has raised investment from 6 companies around the world. On April 22, Facebook announced investment of over ₹43,000 crore for a 9.99% stake. May 4, Silver Lakes announced equity investment of over ₹5,000 crore. May 8, Vista announces equity investment of over ₹11,000 crore for a 2.32% stake. May 17, General Atlantic invests over ₹6,000 crore for a 1.34% equity stake. May 22, KKR announces over ₹11,000 crore investment for a 2.32% stake. June 5, Mubadala announces over ₹9,000 crore investment for a 1.85% equity stake. And June 6, Silver Lake and co-investors has invested another over ₹4,000 crore in Jio platforms. But out of all the recent investments in Jio, the Facebook partnership has caused quite a stir in the industry. Facebook now owns nearly 10% of Jio platforms, becoming its largest minority shareholder. Within days of announcing the Facebook deal, Reliance launched its online to offline commerce venture JioMart on WhatsApp, where users can place their orders online and complete the pickup offline. Reliance calls this the new commerce model and has already roped in lakhs of kiranas. JioMart rolled out across 200 cities earlier this week. So investors who invested in Jio has come with decades of experiences in scaling up tech-led businesses across the globe. They know that Jio is not a digital opportunity alone. It's a phygital opportunity, meaning to bridge the digital world with the physical world with the purpose of providing unique interactive experiences for the user. Jio's plan is now grand and ambitious. It has already created disruption among its competitors. Now, since it has got world's attention, we are still waiting to what it will bring more.